Mr. Owaisi, your thoughts on the day that this pond has been ordered to be sealed with the Hindu groups claiming that a Shivling has been found there. There are bigger implications, in terms of where all of this is headed, aren't there?
Yes, these apprehensions were voiced by me when the Babri Masjid title suit judgment was given. I had at that point of time on record said that this will open many doors, and because that judgment had given on the basis of Astha. Now, despite Supreme Court elevating the 91 Act to the level of basic structure of the Constitution, today's order completely violates the 91 Act. This order of today of sealing that area and allowing only 20 people to do namaz over there is a blatant violation of 91 Act, which changes the nature and character. And you're absolutely right. Tomorrow it will be Qutub Minar, tomorrow it would be Taj Mahal, tomorrow it would be Mathura. I don't know. The Sangh Parivar has a list of more than 50,000 masjids. So there is no end to this nonsense. And the question over is that how can a lower court go against a Parliament Act? How can the lower court violate the Supreme Court judgment? And I hope that tomorrow when Supreme Court hears this matter, I don't know what Supreme Court would do, but we have to wait and see. But as of now, this is a complete violation. This is the repeat of what happened to the Muslims in 1948 December, and this will continue to happen.
I wanted you to elaborate on the Places of Worship Act, Mr. Owaisi, and why this act was brought in the first place. As you rightly said, it is there in law, and yet you have this lower court order which goes completely against that. So the Supreme Court's verdict on this is going to be very crucial. But why is it important? Why is the Places of Worship Act important?
Because in 1991 it was decided that apart from Babri Masjid, that every religious place which stood on 15th August 1947, the nature and character of that particular religious place would not be changed. Keeping in mind all these issues. And in fact, if you read even the Supreme Court judgment, the Supreme Court of the judgment quoted the statement of the then Home Minister to maintain the integrity of the country, to maintain peace. That is what the then Home Minister in 91 stated. Now, today's order is complete violation of that, and my biggest apprehension is that it will not stop the RSS and the BJP. They will continue to find ways and means of changing the character of all masjids. So unfortunately, this will continue, and my biggest fear is that as a teenager, I have bad memories of what happened post-demolition and pre-demolition. Now you are giving this same bad memories, unfortunately, if it happens to this millennial generation. So we have been deceived once. Now I hope I'm wrong. We'll be deceived again second time around.